Our mission is to improve the lives of dentists.
The most important thing for me in a potential partnership was, can I still continue to practice dentistry the way that I believe we should be doing it? And can we just continue to take care of patients the way we are while getting support on the things that are difficult for me to do while still taking care of patients and living a balanced life? And with Premier Dentist Partners, I found that that part has been one of the best highlights of our partnership with PDP.
You know, it was so important for me. Being here for over 30 years, I have this relationship with my patients. It's not just a patient-doctor relationship. They become family to you. And I wanted that to still be the main thing here. And that's really important to legacy and what I've built here at Proud to Smile. And I didn't want anyone to ever say something's different. I wanted it to feel like what I started here 30 years ago. I wanted it to continue.
I think everybody's concerned when they sign a contract with a DSO, or they're just going to want production, and it's not the case at all. They do not tell us to diagnose or treat in any way, shape, or form. They're simply support. And I think that's a concern of many dentists. Well, are you going to start telling me how to do things? And they don't.
I used to run part of the office, the managing part, and clinical, and it just got to the point that it was too much. So when we were looking to partner with the DSO to transition the practice, that was one part that we want to make sure that we're still able to make the decisions, provide the same patient care as we were providing before, and not lower our standards.
You hear those stories. I had friends that went the DSO route before me with a couple of names that we would recognize, right? And things were rocky or shaky. Those companies didn't deliver for them. But 100%, I know that PDP has my back. They've been great partners, and they've definitely delivered everything that we talked about in the early stages and really continue to deliver. They're easily approachable and accessible, and they really take care of us as dentists.
If you're looking for somebody that is going to let you run the practice the way you want to run it, but you need some support on the back end and the administrative side of it, or any sort of marketing, they are the people to work with. They are easy to work with, they're transparent, they're honest, and they're very patient focused. They want to create culture in their offices that support folks feeling safe, happy, and heard.
In our initial conversations, everything sounded wonderful. It was promised that I could and my team could continue to practice and take great care of patients, and that there would not be that heavy-handed management and almost like dictatorship of here's how we need you to practice, here are certain things you need to do, here are numbers you need to hit. And I'll be honest, initially I was skeptical about that, but in talking with enough people at Premier Dentist Partners and getting a vibe of how they prefer to do things, I kind of took a leap of faith to trust that I was still going to be able to practice the way I wanted to and practice ethical dentistry for our patients.
We wanted to have a plan for retirement other than the savings that we have. The dental office is a big asset, and we wanted to make sure we transitioned it into the proper hands because it's our life's work. And everything they said that they were going to do, they have done. Their word is good, and that means a lot to me.
Our mission is to improve the lives of dentists.